In just 5 minutes, you'll play your first song. I'll play first, and then you play. Are you ready? Here we go. So we're going to start with finger picking. And you can see here that I'm using my thumb for the lower string and my index finger for the higher string. So just play along with me, and remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like. Well done. Now we're going to learn the notes to the song. So just follow along, and again pause the video if you need to. And remember to use your index finger and your fingertip to push the string down. And keep it pushed down to the fretboard to get a really clear sounding note. Here we go. Now we're going to move to the first fret. Again, just remember to keep the string pinned down to the fretboard. Now we go to the open strings. Okay, let's repeat that again. Now to the first fret again. And then to the open. Back to the second fret. Now we're going to play some chords. So the first chord is A. And we're doing 4 down strums. Next we're going to move to the chord of E. And again 4 down strums on E. And then we're moving to a chord of D. And 4 down strums on D. And back to A. Okay, back to the second fret on string 3. We're nearly there. And finishing with 1 down strum on A. Want to learn the full version of Chasing Cars? And more fun songs just like this? Join me, David, in Guitar Star Academy, where you can learn step by step and go at your own pace. Our online courses are designed just for you, making guitar learning fun and easy. Plus, we have a huge list of exciting songs you can start playing right now. Click the link in the description to sign up today and take your guitar playing to the next level. I can't wait to see you inside this program and take you on the journey. You did it! Your first song. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, do you want to learn even more songs? Click here to learn the rest of this song over at Guitar Star Academy to learn more about our courses and songs and just keep you learning and rocking. Hi everyone, thank you for watching. If you completely enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss out on our latest content and tutorials. Your support means so much to me and helps us grow. Also, if you liked what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with at least 3 people who might be able to benefit from today's tutorial. Together, we can spread the joy of learning guitar and also build an awesome community here at Guitar Star for Kids. And thanks again for watching and being part of our incredible journey together.